This
market is all
conference will
looking
now
for,
be recorded.
Okay.
but the current market is currently looking for full stack developers. So I really wanted to learn this full stack development.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So you are going with the mobile app development also, no? It means like if you want to do like mobile application development.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this course is going to be related for what? So you're going to be learning with me full stack, or you're going to be learning with me full stack and mobile apps both.
I think both. Yeah, I think both.
Oh, okay. Okay. So let's do one thing. So I'll go with the curriculum of the full stack first. Then I'll go with the curriculum of the mobile app development. I will explain about
Uh,
this concept.
yeah, sure.
So in the part of the full stack web development, basically there are two kind of technologies. One is the front end technologies. One is the back end technologies.
Yeah,
Front end technologies, and one is the back end
backend.
technologies. So in the part of the front end technologies, we are going to be having a lot of things like start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery
Mm-hmm.
and Bootstrap. Then we will go with React.js
Mm-hmm.
and either React, either Angular, either Vue.js. So you can go with any one of this.
Okay, either React or
Either React, either Angular, either Vue.js.
Mm-hmm.
And coming to the backend technologies, there are multiple kind of backend technologies. Like we can do backend with PHP, we can do backend with .NET, we can do backend with Java,
JavaScript.
and we can do backend with Ruby, and we can do backend with Node.js, with Express.js, Node.js with Express.js, and we can do backend with Python, Django.
Django, yeah.
And we can do backend with Python Flask, and we can do backend with Python Fast API. And we can do backend with all this kind of different kind of technologies like PHP, .NET, Java, Ruby. And now current trend, which is going to be having a lot of highly demanding, is Node Express.js. And one more is Django. Django is also very, very popular based on Python, because of Python is a general purpose language and Python is a dynamic programming. Everywhere people are using Python for data science, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain related.
Yeah.
So, and finally, in the part of this modern technologies, so basic technologies are this one, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript basic level.
Yeah.
Let me write. So basic web technical skills, and after that we will go with advanced technical skills, advanced web techs, and after that we are going to be having the modern technical skills,
the current market using,
modern web technical skills.
In
the part of the modern technical skills, we are learning React.
React.
Either Angular, either React, either Vue, but we choose React. Yes.
React.
We choose React.
Okay.
Yes. And the part of the backend technologies, you are going to be prefer something like Node.js or Python, Django, whatever you want. I will just. So, what is your preference? What is your preference on this?
My preference is like the one which is actually popular and most of them are looking into. That's what I want to learn. I'm seeing both as Python, Django, and also Node.js, but
if you want both, or if you want to go with the one, but front end is common. Front end common for both actually. We are learning front end basically from basic level to modern level. We are learning front end, and coming to the advanced level, coming to the back end, but I'm saying popular these two. And this is also good actually. Flask also good, but Flask for small scale applications.
Small scale applications, okay.
And Django for large scale applications. And this Node Express, yeah, this is for both small scale or scale. And whichever you want to prefer, I just want to go with the backend part. So just think about it. Okay.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
want both, I can teach both. If you want only
I'll
one, I'll teach
I'll
one.
learn both. Yeah, I'll learn both.
You want to learn both.
Yeah.
Fine. Next, coming to the mobile app development part. In the mobile app development part, there are two kind of mobile developments. One is a
Mm-hmm.
native app development,
Mm-hmm.
and one is a cross-domain or hybrid app development
Mm-hmm.
or hybrid development. So, in the part of the native development, we are going to be the concept of native development is very very simple. Simple mantra: develop
Mm-hmm.
once, deploy to one. Develop
Mm-hmm.
once, deploy to one. That is a very simple mantra. So that mantra means you are going to be writing some Swift programming over there,
Mm-hmm.
and by the Swift programming, we are sending the application to the iOS.
Mm-hmm.
It means we are sending application to the App Store. We are deploying
Yeah.
the application into the App Store.
Mm-hmm.
Either we are going to be writing some Kotlin programming, and with Kotlin or Java.
Mm-hmm.
Kotlin is the latest basically, or either you can go for Java old programming pattern. And finally, the
Mm-hmm.
application we are going to be submitting to the Play Store.
Play Store. Okay.
That is, this is Android. This is the Apple iOS.
Mm-hmm.
It means App Store application can be deployed for iOS devices. And
Yeah. Play
Kotlin
Store.
programming or Java programming, whatever you're writing, and we are developing some application that will be sending to the Play Store. It means it is uh, already Android users are there. A lot of Android users are there. 75 to 78% market actually occupied with Android. And
Mm-hmm.
we will send application to the Play Store. From the Play Store, these users can download and these users can use Android OS users.
Mm-hmm.
So this is one part. This is one part. What develop once, deploy to one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So coming to the hybrid cross domain, this is very very popular nowadays. This is very very
Mm-hmm.
popular. What is the pattern? Develop once, deploy to many.
Okay.
Deploy to many means the popular two operating systems are only two, Android and iOS, right?
Yeah.
So that BlackBerry is not available nowadays, and Microsoft mobile operating system also not there. Now there are two different kind of operating systems in the mobiles, mostly Apple or Android. So for that, a concept is
Mm-hmm.
very simple. Concept is very simple. Develop once, deploy to many. Many means, for example, we are going to be writing some programming with Dart, and framework is Flutter.
Mm-hmm.
With Flutter, we can able to deploy application iOS and
Mm-hmm.
Android OS. And we are going to be writing some programming with React in the framework of React Native.
Mm-hmm.
Then we will deploy this one to the same iOS and Android.
Mm-hmm.
One more is Ionic. Ionic. With Ionic, we are going to be writing something like a React programming, or you are going to be writing something like React or Angular.
Mm, yeah.
And finally, application is going to be submitting to the two stores, iOS and Android.
Mm, yeah.
So this is the pattern. But in these two are actually popular. Dot programming, Flutter, and React Native. See, based on the company, some companies are using Flutter pattern. Some companies are
Mm-hmm.
using React Native. Both are highly demanding in the market. Flutter versus React Native. If you see Flutter versus React Native. If you see this, we can able to understand something like both are competitors. Both are competitors. Okay, some image you can see. React Native
Mm.
from 2015, but Flutter from 2017. Very, very new. And you can't able to put like 10 years experience in Flutter. Flutter came in 2017.
Yeah.
And this one, React Native developed by Facebook and Flutter developed by Google. And this is going to be working with JavaScript and this is going to be working with the dot programming.
Dot.
I told you.
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
And some advantages or disadvantages. See, you can see that stars. Language stack is good. That is JavaScript, this is dot. That is Flux, this is Flutter Flux.
Mm. Yeah.
And performance wise, Flutter is good. And somewhere user interface, React Native is good. Customer
Mm.
community support, React Native is good. And testing, somewhat both are same.
That's it.
Develop Development
Development.
time, React Native is very
JavaScript.
less. Hard load,
Yeah, React.
Flutter good. See, stability, React Native is good. But both are actually very nice ones. If you want, you can go
Mm.
with this. Uh, it's my word actually. Flutter and React Native both are good.
Mm.
I can't able to give some marks. I can't able to give some rating with these two things. These two are
Yeah.
very good.
Mm. Yeah.
These two are very good. But okay. React Native is very easy to learn. Flutter is
Mm.
bit typical to learn. That is what I observed.
Mm-hmm.
Why because of we are already learning some front end technologies with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and we are learning some website development. The same technical
Mm-hmm.
skills we will apply on top of React Native. See, we are not
Okay.
learning again, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
We are just learning a framework called
yeah.
React Native.
Mm, yeah.
Then it is easier. All the web developers who can able to easily translate into mobile app developer.
Mm, yeah, that's right.
So in that case, native development we can't go. We will go with this one, React Native. Yes, this one I will choose for you.
Yeah, yeah.
I will try and use some sort of React Native library or framework, and we
Mm-hmm.
will do an application, a small application. If you take ID of the Play Store developer ID, if you take the developer ID for App Store, you people
Mm-hmm.
can send your applications. You can able to
Wow.
deploy your applications. Then you can add in your CarPlay, those things.
Mm, wow.
Yes, this is the agenda, Avi.
Cool,
Do
cool.
you have any questions?
No, I'm pretty much convinced. I mean, convinced with the content that
Uh,
you showed me, and uh, yeah, I think this is what something I really wanted.
yes, sure, definitely, definitely. This all the things will take time, Avi. Why?
Yeah,
Because of we are learning web development, we are learning mobile development, means it will take time. Even we are going to be connecting everyone or every day 1 hour. Okay,
hmm,
one hour 30 minutes, whatever it may be. The class timings
yeah,
will be 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes.
yeah,
Still, it will take a lot of time. But time takes, but it is giving a
mhm,
lot of energy to you
yeah, yeah, that's
uh,
right. Yeah,
to crack the job. It's
mm,
immediate,
yeah,
immediate job will come. This
mm,
is very, very interesting technical skills. Full
yeah,
stack,
yeah,
full stack web and mobile.
mm-hmm.
This is means full stack web and mobile. We are going to be learning.
Yeah, 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 that's right. Yeah,
It means
wow,
front end we are learning, back end we are learning deployment, we are learning store submissions, everything.
and databases as well.
Yeah, database obviously. With the database
Uh,
MongoDB, we will go with NoSQL database is highly demanding in the market.
yeah,
No need
yeah,
to no need to take tables, just like a object-oriented pattern, JSON pattern databases.
mm-hmm.
See, big stores are actually managing this kind of NoSQL databases. Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra.
Mm-hmm.
So they have to handle million records, right? Million
Yeah,
trillion
yeah,
records.
yeah,
So handling data, transforming data, filtering data very, very easy with NoSQL database.
Wow.
So that's a very famous one called MongoDB. So very, very familiar database. It's very
Yeah.
easy to migrate with a web application and mobile application, all these things. So
Yeah.
that's it, Avi. From my side, I'm going to be teaching you. This will take time, like 5 months.
5 months. Yeah. No problem.
Definitely, 5 months definitely will take. Full
Yeah.
stack
Sure.
web take 3 months, and mobile app take 2 months. Totally
2 months.
5 months.
Five
But
months.
most probably, I try to close it within 4 months.
4 months. Okay. And
But
I also
I'm
wanted
not
to.
Haribari basically. I'm not Haribari. I can't take Haribari classes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
we'll,
It's.
we'll go slowly. We'll go slowly. And every day recorded session, I can able to send you, and
Yeah.
you just keep the recorded.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. I'll keep them.
That's
And
my pattern, Ravi.
cool. Cool. I just want to check one more thing with you. Is that
Please,
uh,
please.
will you be? I mean, on a daily basis, will there be any sort of mm, like homework kind of stuff?
Definitely, definitely,
Yeah.
definitely, Ravi. So